So the main menu was designed to be simplistic and eye-catching. It introduces the users to the characters while giving them a feel of the game. The buttons were designed to be centered so that they were easily accessible for left and right-handed users, with the grave present acting as a frame to draw the user's attention. The background is monochromatic as it makes the scene feel easy to read and makes the characters pop, which are the main selling point of the game. We really wanted to involve the user in the story to draw them into playing the game more. This level provides a simple introduction to a player movement, as well as hinting to the gameplay of the actual game. We felt a storyboard would be a quick and easy way of introducing the user to the background of the game. The storyboard shows the murder of the main character and the introduction of the ghost and the zombie. The art style and colours fit in with the style in the game, which stands out and is easy to read.
The level selection menu is a visual representation of the mansion. It shows the player's progress through the mansion and shows future levels to come. A darker background and black silhouette was designed, as it makes each level stand out, so it makes it clear and easy to understand for the user. Locked rooms are darkened to show that the room isn't available yet, whilst available rooms are brighter. Completed levels show the star rating of the level to encourage players to replay past levels. Moving on to the first level, the user is immediately introduced to the zombie. The zombie's movement has been designed and programmed to be stiff yet strong to really emphasize the lumbering feel of the zombie character. The user first controls the zombie in an open room. This allows the user to test controls and get a feel for the game rather than being thrown straight in. Using the free cam, the user is able to look through the level, which helps show where the user is aiming to go, and it gives a bigger view of the level itself.
The ghost becomes visible to the user in the second room, which makes it clear that there is multiple characters in each of the levels. The first task the user is faced with is using the ghost to raise the zombie up, using a generator. This is a simple introduction to the core aspect of both of the characters using teamwork to progress through the level. Teamwork between the two characters is vital to completing levels, and this idea is used throughout the rest of the level.
The relationship between the zombie and ghost goes both ways, as the zombie now needs to use a pressure plate to help the ghost pass further. The rooms were designed to use different colour schemes to make it clear that the player is progressing through the level, and make levels easy to navigate. Lighting was used to create atmosphere throughout, and draw users' attention to important assets, such as the generator and keys which are needed to progress.
To get to the locked door, the player must then use the elevator in a different way. This unlocks the door and allows the ghost to reach the final two generators. As the user gets to the end of the level, they are introduced to the clue. Picking this up shows the end level screen, which reviews the user on their progress through this level and indicates how well they have done. The user can then progress to different parts of the game using the buttons, which really adds to the ease of playability.